Spanish potato omelette, or tortilla de patatas, is a gorgeous dish that proves you don't need an endless list of ingredients to make something truly magic. Onions, potatoes, and beautiful eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper is all it takes. Potatoes and onions are a match made in heaven, and this is a dish that is perfect for any time of day. First, we're going to finely slice 600 grams of waxy potatoes, followed by 1 large brown onion. Heat some olive oil in a large flat fry pan to a medium heat, then tip the onion in and cook it until it's nice and soft, about 10 minutes. We don't want any crispy onions. Once the onion is cooked and cooled, we mix it in with our potatoes, and then we're going to whisk together 6 Australian eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper. Flatten your potato and onions into a pan, then we're going to pour the whisked egg all over the potatoes and tilt the pan to get it into the nooks and crannies. Return it to a medium heat for 5 minutes, or just enough to set the underside. Now we're going to flip the omelette out of the pan onto a board and then slide it back into the pan to cook the other side just for a couple of minutes. Slide your gorgeous tortilla out of the pan, top it with a lovely herb and olive dressing, slice it into wedges and then serve it. Look at that, a handful of staple ingredients all held together with beautiful Australian eggs. Yum!